Hello, we're going to talk about the emotional aromatherapy kit, and it comes in two different forms. One is the touch version, so this is the 10 ml roller, and the other is a 5 ml roller. Now, why do they come in 5 mils? What you'll notice is these oils are for when you really need an uplift, and they've got some really exotic and hard to find and hard to source essential oils. You'll only need a little drop, and you'll use these on rare occasions. So the advantage of the 5 ml roller is, of course, what you can do is you can use it in a couple of different ways. You can use it aromatically, so you can pop it straight into a diffuser, or you can use it topically, mixing it with some fractionated coconut oil and rubbing it either over part of your body or aromatically dressing and making it your natural perfume or fragrance. So that's the advantage of having the 5 ml. The advantage of having the 10 ml roller is that you've got it already diluted in that fractionated coconut oil, so you can roll that over you as whenever you need to, and that type of thing as well. So I actually work with both of these. I have the 5 mils at home because I love to diffuse them if I need a bit of an uplift or a bit more grounding and that type of thing. But when I'm out and about traveling, if I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed or need a little bit extra support, that's where the touch comes in and is really, really great to just roll on you. You can roll it on your pulse points, whereas the natural fragrance on the soles of your feet, back of the neck, whatever you feel is appropriate as well. So the 5 mil has its advantages, and the 10 mil touch has its advantages as well. Both are really good, and of course remember that this one you can use aromatically and topically, this one just topically. None of the emotional aromatherapy kit can be used internally.